Hey guys, this is Matthew Holliday with First 10 Weather,
And I'm Chris Nunley with Texoma Weather.
and we just want to give you the latest on the severe weather. And we're going to show you the current radar.
Out of Kansas.
Yeah, this is Kansas right here. I'll let you talk about this a minute, Chris.
Yeah, there's some very strong supercells that developed this afternoon, and they're continuing into the evening hours, which is very dangerous because the two storms, one that is north of Emporia and then one that is south, do have tornado warnings on them right now. And actually, softball-sized hail has been reported by storm spotters on both of those storms. So not only are we worried about possibly tornadoes with these storms, but extremely large hail has been reported.
The hail has really been incredible with these storms, and we really were expecting this out of these storms. Cape values are extremely high. It's very strong updrafts with these storms, and it really is just incredible. And there is a severe thunderstorm watch for these areas, if I can get it to drag down here. And as you can see, we've had individual supercells develop. The main threat is severe hail, but we do have that isolated tornado risk also. So those areas, those people in those areas definitely need to keep an eye on these.
Yeah, the winds
storms
are turning at height, so there's the potential is there for those isolated tornadoes.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead and move on down to College Station.
Yeah, this is a radar from Texas, and we had mentioned this in the video that we put out the other day about a disturbance that would move northward along the dry line. Well, that system last night actually did move northward, and it developed into an MCS, and it strengthened due to the latent heat release, which we had mentioned, and it is now pretty much like a vort low, and it's just west of the College Station area. And this system is pretty much going to stay stationary and could dump some very heavy rains over the next 36 hours over parts of southern and eastern Texas. So flooding could become an issue with this system, and I know the models had really struggled with it, but just looking at the latest 00 Z NAM, it is starting to pick up on it, and it is showing very heavy rainfall for parts of southern and eastern Texas. So it's something that needs to be watched, and it was kind of a little unexpected system. We thought it would move northeastward, but instead it kind of shot eastward. So kind of interesting, but those folks down there definitely need the rain. So as long as we don't have any flooding, that's really good for them to get this rain.
Yeah, we are really chopping away at that drought.
We are.
Incredible, like we were showing the drought monitor in the last video. And this is just to show you that they put out a meso for this area, and this is the area that basically has the severe thunderstorm watch for it. So,
yeah,
like we said, very large hail, and just keep an eye on it, guys. And a lot of storm chasers in that area tonight getting footage of this. So,
yeah,
we'll definitely post that on our sites as we get that.
And it's also good that we have them out there because they're able to relay and confirm information to the National Weather Service. So just like there recently had been, the latest report coming in is hail softball size or larger north of Emporia, Kansas. So it's nice to have them out there because they do relay that information to the National Weather Service.
Yeah, and this is the Cape values here. So as you can see, very high Cape values.
Yeah, especially for nighttime hours.
See what else we got here. And here's the convective outlook for tomorrow.
Yeah, this is for tomorrow. The same frontal structure that is causing these storms this afternoon and this evening actually could also lead to some thunderstorm development tomorrow afternoon in Kansas. Extreme northern Oklahoma could catch in on some of this. Obviously, western Missouri as well as parts of the Nebraska area could see some storms due to this frontal structure. And there are also, if you notice, there's a 5% in parts of Texas. That is because of the dry line. It could spark some thunderstorms just east of the Amarillo and Lubbock area. And if you notice down in South Texas how there is also like a little 5% risk, that is due to the MCS that we were talking about that's currently over the College Station area. That could, tomorrow afternoon with daytime heating, there could be some small hail and gusty winds due to that system. Nothing too substantial over that area. Definitely the main threats are going to be to the north in extreme northern Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and Nebraska.
And let's just shift our focus over to the northeast just really quickly.
This is interesting.
Yeah, this is quite the contrast from what we're expecting. Well, I thought that it definitely was possible to happen, but it's just unbelievable, like considering what the temperatures have been in these areas.
It's a shocker.
It's a shocker, yeah.
We were talking last night about how many people had planted gardens and flowers, and now they're going to get snow, possibly.
Yeah, it's incredible. This is the 12Z now. I mean, as you can see, 8 to 12 inches of snow up here. And we've got an article coming out tonight by Garrett Bastardi on firsthandweather.com, so he's going to basically discuss this in detail. So I will not discuss it a whole lot in this video since that's going to be coming out. Let me show you the 18Z. This is the latest, and here we go. It's really putting out the totals, and it's incredible.
It is incredible.
What makes it so incredible is the fact that it's just been so warm up there. So it's just a shock more than anything, I think. So, like I said, we'll have an article out tonight about that. And, just keep a watch on it. And some of these areas that this is currently not showing snow for could also get snow. So it's still up in the, still a little iffy on the details at this point.
Yeah, and we should also probably mention the possibility of a severe weather outbreak early next week.
Yeah, we're still watching that.
We're still watching that. Timing is going to be crucial with this system. Timing will really determine everything because all the other ingredients are more than likely going to be in place. So it is something that we are continuing to keep an eye on, and we will continue to update you all through videos and let you know what our latest thoughts are on the system. But right now, it still looks like a severe weather outbreak is possible early next week. And heavy rainfall would also be possible right alongside the severe weather. So we will definitely keep you updated on that.
And be sure to like all of the Facebook pages. To save time, I won't go through everything that we got a lot of Facebook pages and stuff. So they'll be in the description if you're watching this from YouTube. Also on the Facebook pages if you're watching this from one of our sites or one of the Facebook pages. So give us a like, and we will keep you updated on our sites. So stay tuned.
Have a good evening.
You too.